We are in a thunderstorm right now, and my granddaughter just tried to calm Lily because she was shaking a minute ago. And ever since she put all these stuffed animals around her, she is calm. Aren't you, Lily? She got stuffed animals all around her. Don't you, baby? She says, I feel so much better now. I feel so much better because I have friends. So just a little hint, if you have a puppy that is stressed out for any reason at all, what you may want to do is put some stuffed animals around them, because that seems to work. See y'all in the next one. Oh, and before I go, subscribe if you like our videos. Like them, comment. We love having new subscribers, but we especially love our regular subscribers. Thanks so much for being part of our family. Talk to you later. Bye.